Okay. Yay! Just what I want to do today. Got to replace the fan clutch. All right. Yay! Yep, this hose is bad. There we go. All right. I've got much other and more important things to do today than play Mr. Mechanic. What can you do? Alright, let me get these 3 nuts off here and I'll come back. Alright then. That'll make it easier. There we go. After all. Alright then. Alright, we gotta take this thing and I can't help myself. The belt really does look good though, look. There's no cracks in it. Usually you get a bunch of cracks when they start going bad. It really looks good. I'll save it for a backup. I gotta put the new belt on. I didn't buy it for it to sit in a box, so. There we go. Bearings a little bit more than this one. You can see it shaking up and down. Look at that. Might be a good thing that I took that off. Let's look at the new one. Looks good. Yeah. Alright. Let's put her on. There's the belt number.
Yeah. Goodness gracious, man. Oh yeah.
Up there, baby.
Just like that. Yep, put that here. Put this in here. That. Go.
Exactly. Oh yeah, that works good. Let's go right there between the E and the A. Up there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. You don't need no regular old molded holes. Okay, let's get her fired up and then see how she rolls. Of course, we need the MAP airflow sensor connected. Alright, I'm gonna go give her a test run. Appreciate y'all watching now. Bye now.